Hey guys, Nicole here from Backers Bonus, and today we are going to take a look at this video software called MeetZippy. This software will basically allow you to host live meetings, and within these meetings you'll be able to do a bunch of different actions which we are going to discuss as we go over the software. This is going live today at 10 a.m. Eastern Time, and full feature list of the product will be below this video along with the bonuses that we are offering. Alright, so right now we're going to do an overview of the software and the features that are within the tool. So once you are logged in, you will be greeted by the main dashboard. So in this main dashboard, you will see all of the meetings that you have. You'll be able to sort it out through public rooms, private rooms, or just display all of the rooms. Or you can also search through this field here. Just type in the name of the room. You also have here an option of switching the different view type of the dashboard. Can be a grid view or as a list view. Okay, so to create a room, click on Create New Room. Add a meeting room title. Then you can also add in a description. Now you can choose to have the meeting as private or public. So once you switch this on, it will be a private meeting, which you will enter here a code. Alright, so what's good about private meetings is that you can use this if you have any meetings that are only for specific people, if you need to do any one-on-one demo with a client, or if you are presenting any project to a client. So that's what you can do with the private room. So once you've saved the changes, all you need to do is to provide them the meeting link and also the passcode. Alright, so we're just going to switch this as public. So click on Save Changes. You'll see that your meeting will be added to the dashboard. So again, if it is a public meeting, all you need to do is to copy the meeting link and provide it to the participants. So from here, you'll be able to join or record a session or delete the meetings. Okay, so let's go ahead and click on Join Session. Alright, so once you've joined in, this is how the meeting is going to look like. Now, if you are waiting for someone to join in, you'll see here the number of the participants that have already entered the meeting room. Or if you are going to do a recorded session instead, you can just click on Record. Also, if you have turned on the camera, this is going to be the presenter video box. Also, this is for the mic. If you would like to unmute it, you can just click that here. And you also have unpublished option. And you also have here the button if you'd like to leave the session. This is also for chat options here. So if you would like to do any messages between teams, you can just type that in here. And click on Send. All right. And also, as I mentioned earlier, there are a bunch of features or actions that you can do within the meeting room. For this first feature here, you do have screen share. So this is self-explanatory. It will allow you to share your screen currently to the participants that are within the meeting room. So this is actually good if you are doing a PowerPoint presentation, or if you're doing a demo. Basically, you can just go ahead and click that. Alright, so next feature, you do have here a whiteboard, which is another feature or tool that you can use when doing any presentations to your participant. You can do that here. So if the presenter box or the video box is on the way, you can actually just move it around the meeting room. So you can do that here, you can switch that here, so you can easily show the whiteboard presentation. So whatever you're doing on the whiteboard will reflect on each of the participants' screen. All right, so that would be for the whiteboard. Then you also have here the editor box. This is really helpful if you're trying to point out some important facts that your participants need to take note. So you can just add your text here. It's basically the same as with, the whiteboard, but for this one, you can just easily add in the text. All right, so that would be for the text board. So there are a lot of ways for you to actually do your presentations in the meeting room. So again, you have the screen share, the whiteboard, and the text box. It'll basically depend on the nature or the purpose of the presentation. So you do have all of the options here that you can take advantage of. All right, so we're going to go ahead and leave the meeting room right now so I can show you where you could find the replays of the recorded session. So if you click on this leave session, it will just take you back to the dashboard. So we're now back in the dashboard, and next up we have here the recordings. So for the recordings, these are the videos or the sessions that you have opted to record. You will find them here. You'll be able to get a replay page, and you also have here options of previewing the recorded sessions. And if you click on these buttons here, it will also provide you some other options of getting the embed code or downloading the video or to delete the session. All right, so that would be for the recordings. Next, we do have here some more additional options that would allow you to set up appointments or schedule appointments for your meetings. All right, so that's basically the main features of MeetZippy. Again, if you'd like to find out more about this product and the bonuses that we are offering, do check them out below this video. And again, it is going live today at 10 a.m. Eastern Time. All right, so that's about it for MeetZippy. Thanks for listening.